we got a new comment. The snack that smiles back, the snack that smiles back, the snack that smiles back. And if you're wondering why I'm not in my pantry and instead of in my car, well, stop being stupid, because I'm not at my house anymore. I'm not at my house right now. But anyways, let me say it in Indian. The snack that smiles back, the snack that smiles back, the snack that smiles back. Comment! I am enabling the comments on this because I forgot to enable the comments on the other video, and I just took this video from the first video, so I'm enabling the comments on this one. I won't forget this time.